Courage is that something. Courage is that something that tells you to continue when you want to give up. Courage is that something that makes you speak the truth when everyone else is okay with the false. It is that something that causes you to press play on what has for so long been on pause. So step into the light. Only speak what is right. Walk in boldness and stay in the fight. I think he's going to kill her. Do you hear me?
I float like a butterfly. I sting like a bee. You no longer have control over me. The bell has rung and the deal is sealed. This one scared little girl earned her first kill. I apologize for all the hurt that I caused in your life. Please give me another chance. Don't give up on me.